Hello. Oh my god, I can't take myself. God, I can't take myself seriously. So, I'm gonna just get right into it. If you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Lauryne. Welcome to my channel. I'm 24 years old. I've had my channel for about 3 years now. I think it's 3 going on 4 years now. Yeah, I started it while I was still in college. I just needed a hobby, a creative outlet, because I was doing school online and that was all consuming, so I needed a creative outlet. And I've been a consumer of YouTube for a long time, for a very long while, watching vlogs and beauty content. But you know, after watching it for years, I was like, no, maybe this is something I can do. And so I got over the imposter syndrome and everything like that, which I still feel sometimes, and I just did it. And I haven't stopped because it's so much fun. And I discovered love for the artistry of makeup that I didn't know I had. Also discovered a passion for editing and storytelling, and that has spilled over into other aspects of my life. So a lot of things changed for me when I started my YouTube channel. My main reason for wanting to be in this space and to, you know, continue to be in this space is to be an encouragement and an influence for women of color, especially younger girls who want to become a part of this industry. There are countless examples of how important it is to see yourself represented in anything, be it social media, traditional media, or any field that you choose. It's really important to see yourself represented, because if not, you're going to assume that, you know, I can't do this because this isn't for me. It isn't created for people who look like me. And I just want to, you know, I just want to be an example, a continuation of the example that you don't have to believe those stereotypes and that anything is possible if you just work hard and, you know, if you just believe in it and if you work hard for it. The main thing that I've noticed in this industry is how hard people have to work and how many multiple hats people have to, you know, wear to not only just be successful, but to maintain a level of success in this industry is like a lot. So that's why I feel like a lot of people don't succeed, is because they don't understand. A lot of people don't understand how much work goes into what we do. I think there's no reason why anybody shouldn't want to use their influence to promote what they believe in or what they're passionate about. So yeah, that's my little spiel. I really want to see diversity and inclusion keep being pushed forward. Like, we're nowhere near where we were before, and that's great, but we're not where we need to be. So there's always room for growth, and I want to be a part of that growth. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is my official attempt at soft glam here on YouTube. I already did a look on my Instagram, so if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me and helps this video increase the chance of being seen by James and his team. Yeah. Even if I don't get on, I'm proud of myself for putting myself out there. It was my goal this year to try to grasp every opportunity that came my way so that I wouldn't have any what ifs going into the next decade. So Even if I don't get it, I am rooting for everyone who does. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!